Planking and what it does. First up, how to plank. Lay on the floor with your elbows under your shoulders, hands flat on the floor, and core engaged. Keeping your forearms and knees on the floor, slowly raise yourself upwards until your body is in a straight line from your knees to your head. Hold the position for as long as you can. How do you know if you're doing a plank correctly? Your nose should point toward the floor and the back of your neck should be parallel to the ceiling. Extend your right leg back, with toes flexed, then bring your left leg to join it. The weight of your body should now be fully supported by your hands and toes. What is a common mistake when doing planks? The low back drops down or sags when you hold your plank position. You may even feel a little tight in your low back. This also causes a whole chain reaction and affects how you are stabilizing. Do planks burn belly fat? The primary purpose of the plank is to burn belly fat. And hence, if you lower your stomach while holding the plank position, you won't get the desired results. Therefore, keep the stomach in and make sure your shoulders, back, and butt are in the same line. Do planks reduce abdominal fat? If you lower your stomach while holding the plank posture, you won't obtain the intended benefits, because the main goal of the exercise is to burn belly fat. Keep your stomach in throughout the exercise and align your shoulders, back, and butt in a straight line. 5 plank advantages. 1. Convenience. Planking is free, quick, and doesn't require any special equipment or a membership to a gym. 2. It also protects your back. Many daily actions require the capacity to brace your core. 3. Prevents injuries brought on by activity. 4. Enhances posture. 5. Enhances mental health. Please drop a like or a comment if you found this helpful. Take care of yourself.